Well, welcome back to Chin and Ron. Today I'm going to be showing you how to locate the blown fuse on your truck. The running lights on my trailer are not working. They were. I plugged into a different trailer the other day, blew a fuse, and I do not have the owner's manual. Couldn't really find much information online, so I figured why not show you how to locate a blown fuse using a test light. So that's what we're going to do right now. So let's get started.
So on the 05 Ford F-250, you just pull down this panel underneath the steering wheel, and then there's a little box here for the fuses that you can get to. Just kind of pull that out of there, and now we can access the fuse. So then all we're going to need to do is take your test light. All right, all this is just a light bulb with a little pointy end on it, and you're going to need a ground. I'm going to stick that on there. That's a good ground. And then you're just going to take your probe and you're going to go on each one of your fuses like that. If the light comes on one side and comes on the other, the fuse is good. So you're just going to go down the line and check all these fuses. Just enough metal protruding off the end of the fuse so you can get your probe on. Okay, there it is right there. I'm assuming those are the trailer lights. Now I lost my ground here. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and check these ones here while we're here. Alright, now some of these the key may have to be on. Where was that one? Right there. Okay, that's probably the bad fuse. Now what you want to do is you want to pull that fuse out of there. Alright, let's go ahead and pull that out. And if you can see it, and I can clearly see that it is burnt out. Okay, that should be a connection in between there, and it's not. Now if you cannot see it and you're not sure, then go ahead and take your multimeter and put it on continuity and test either side, and I'll show you how to do that. So I'll just show you how to test that. So what you do is you just take your multimeter, turn it on, and you should have a continuity setting, and then you should get something like this. You can hear it beep. So if you take the fuse that is blown and put one probe on one side and one on the other, you should hear something, and we don't. But it's clearly shown right there that it's blown. But if you can't see it, just take your multimeter and you can see that the fuse is blown. So take a good fuse and you can see what you're supposed to get. One side, there we go. So that's a good fuse. So let's go ahead and pop the new one in. Just take our new fuse. And there we go. Now we have parking lights. And then all you gotta do is just put everything back together. Take your cover. I mean, this cover, there's no information on this at all. And I got online, it says see owner's manual. It says right here, see owner's manual. I don't have the owner's manual, so it's kind of a guessing game. Anyhow, pop that back on, and then just put this plate on here back on. There it is.
Okay, as you can see, we're up and running. So all I needed was a test light and a multimeter. You don't necessarily need the multimeter if you can see the fuse is blown. If you can't see that it's blown, then you need a multimeter to check the continuity. So other than that, just a test light is all you need to find the blown fuse. Now if I had the owner's manual, this might have gone a little bit quicker, but I don't have the owner's manual. So I hope this helps, and stay tuned for the next one.